So hi guys, my name is Del, and today we have the birds with me. Whoa, go ahead. Oh! And look at them. Ah! Look, Sweetie, you're so big. See? So, what do you guys want to do today, huh? Where's the green thumbs up, Daddy? Oh, they're over there. Daddy, can you get the green thumbs up, please? Hi, boy. Hi. They're on the camera. Oh! They both on my finger. What are you guys doing today, huh? So, here are the birds viewing themselves. Sweetie and Spicy. Daddy, don't think about grabbing them.
Don't bite my
Okay.
phone coverage. Hey.
Spicy, no. My boy.
Girl.
Oh, bad one. Come on. You like to poop on my father's phone. No, no, no. Shh, shh, shh. No. No, 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 no. It's okay. Come on. Get up here.
Excuse me.
But come up here first. Then give your finger. Come on. Ow, ow. Boy.
Good boy.
Girl. Not good.
Their beak is very itchy.
They're over here. Oh, Sweetie. Behind. They just like not to be seen.
Say goodbye to them.